Hi guys, how are you today? So as you know, we have science today. So what we're gonna talk about, earthquake. Let's move in. So how earthquake just happened is we have 7 pieces on Earth. So just like a puzzles, Earth is just like a puzzle. It has 7 pieces. When those pieces move, it will make an earthquake. When near to those pieces, like a house over here or a village over there, it will be dangerous. And if the earthquake was 2%, it will be nothing. Just like you cannot feel it. And if it be 7% or more than 7, it's dangerous and it will make everything ruined. So what are the name of these things? So we always say over here is the focus, but in the physically it is hypocenter. And we just say it is epicenter over here, but it is foul plant. So how we can know, just like the earthquake is that person, or how we can know we have an earthquake right in this moment. So we have that machine, it called seismograph, and it will tell you if we have earthquake or we don't have any earthquake. These movies that they do, the seismograph do, it will helps you to know if it's now having an earthquake or don't having an earthquake. So that was with English. So Hanga will come and tell you in Kurdish. Come.
سڵاو هاوڕێیان ئەمڕۆ باس لە دەرسێک دەکەین بە ناوی بوومەلەرزەیانیش لە ئینگلیزی ئەرتکوێک و کوڕ و دەدا و بە چ دەتوانین بیپێوین ئەو شتانەش باز دەکەین مەسەلەن ئێستانەکە لەو ڕسمەی پیشان دەدەین کە کو ئەو شتە ڕوو دەدات لە ئەرضدا 7 چینمان هەیە کاتێک کە ئەو 7 چینە بەریەک دەکەون ئەو شتە ڕوو دەداتن و لێرانە فۆکسمان هەیە و لە ناوە فیزیکەڵیەکەی دەتوانین بڵێین هایپۆسنتر و ئەوە ناوە فیزیکەڵیەکەی یانیش بڵێین فیزیاییەکەیە و ئەوەشیان کە هەر ئەوەیە و ئەوشیان هەر ئەو ناوێ و بە یعنی بە شێوەیەکی فیزیایی باس دەکەین و دەتوانین بڵێین چۆن دەتوانین بزانین کە ئێستانەکە بوومەلەرزەک هەیە پێوەرمان هەیە لە بۆ ئەوەی کە بزانین کو بوومەلەرزە هەیە و ئەگەر بوومەلەرزەکەمان لە ژێر دوو بوو ئەوە دەتوانین بڵێین کە هیچ شتێک لە باردا نییە بەڵام کە سەر و حەفت بوو شتێکی زۆر ترسناکە و وا دەکات کە شتێکی ترسناک ڕوو بدا و شارەکە یان وڵاتەکە وێران بکات.
So the project is just like this. As you can see from the picture, it's just like that. That will move and that will write. So let's just try it out now. When it tries to move, it will write things. And when it writes things, we have doctors from that earthquake. They know all about the machine and they will just tell you how person is. So if it's dangerous, it will ruin everything. And we have this example right over here, as you can see. The machine is just like that. You're gonna just have a machine, so the paper will come out easily. And after it's done, the doctors will gonna count it how much the person was of the earthquake. And these are our projects that we made up yesterday, and they are all just like the same, but we did it in our art, so it's not the machine, just the same. And this is just like that. As you can see from the picture, we just try to make the nearest to it, and this is it.
Okay. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. When the tectonic plates move, they create waves, and these waves are detected by seismographs. The way seismographs are used so they can determine the strength of the earthquake and when, or to estimate a time where the earthquake will happen. Generally, it's calculated by how big the waves are. These waves are caused by vibrations. Now, vibrations from the epicenter, when they rub up against each other, they create waves. of energy, and these waves are detected by seismographs.
Today we are talking about earthquakes and who invented the earthquakes. And he was Changqing from China. In 132 AD, he invented an instrument called seismograph, but the first name of the seismograph was seismoscope, but then the name changed to seismograph, and at that time the device recorded the earthquakes, not the strings of the earthquakes. أو هلا دوونێ ئەو پرۆجێکتەمان دروستمان کرد بە شێوەی گروپات و بە مقەبایەک دروستمان کرد و بە وەرەقەی ئەوە وەرەقەی پرینتەری و بە تۆپەک و داو لەگەر ئەوە قەڵەمە.
A seismograph is an instrument that records the vibration of the ground during an earthquake.
سڵاو قوتابیان خۆشەویش کردە سیمیناری ئەوڕۆمان لەسەر سیسمۆگرافە. ئەو ئامێرە بۆ پێوانی بوومەلەرزە دروست کراوە. ئێوە پێمان دەڵێت چەند پۆین بوو و چەند ئەو بە چەندی پۆینتەکەی بەرز بێتە خراپە دەبێتە وێراکاری شارەکان یان وڵاتەکان. ئێستا ئەمە دروستمان کردیە. پێوەرەکەش ئەو هەیە بەس ئەوە بە زوانی نێنووسی. پێوەرەکە شەر ئەو هاتە دەنووسیتن چەندی بەرز بیتن دەرەجەکەی زیاترە و بەقووەتر دەبێت.
باخچە و قوتابخانەی بان ماڵێک بۆ پەروەردە و ژیان.